guys, this is Gator School, and this is a Kiwi Crate. We builded this.
What did we build?
A solar system.
What's in a solar system?
The sun. We built it out of a lantern.
We built it
out of a lantern and a light. The light is inside the lantern. These are the solar system that we painted.
The planets. We painted all the planets.
Yeah, some of them you can see have lines. The white there are just crayons.
And then what did we do after we painted?
We waited overnight because they usually are dry in the morning.
Mm-hmm. Oh, careful! You're gonna drop the whole solar system.
Yeah, but we're gonna hang it in this room this extra room that we have.
Your Lego and craft room.
Yeah, where I do lots of things. Goosey.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Not a kitty toy. Great for hanging it on the ceiling.
Yeah.
I think Princess is coming to the camera. I think
Uh.
Princess is coming to the camera. Or I think she's going to fight the solar system.
Oh my goodness.
Or I think all cats are going after the solar system.
Alright. Should we go hang it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you putting the sun through the hole?
Yep. Trying
Let's
to.
do those.
Okay.
Get it there. Get it there. Do you help? Need help?
Yep.
Alright.
Do you need help?
Alright.
Yep. This is part of our solar system. Uh-oh.
Is the sun, do you want the sun up higher or is that good?
Up higher.
Up higher. Alright. So you just adjust. Or, there you go. A little lower.
Look! We have a floating sun.
Nice.
Let's turn it on.
Alright, so now we have to use the other cord stopper and feed it through on the top.
Okay.
Can
So
you
we
do that?
hang it.
Can you put the cord stopper through? Remember, press it down the whole time. You're putting the cord through. Carefully.
Because I think
There you
it's cool.
Sticky side up.
Sticky side up. And they're sticking to my hand. Oops.
Alright, now fold it carefully. Try to make sure it's lined up when you get it to that point.
Perfect.
Alright.
We have 2 planets.
I was just smush it.
2 planets here.
Yeah, got 2 of them.
I think that's Venus.
That was Mars, actually.
Oh.
What's
Mars.
this one?
Okay.
What's that one?
See, Venus.
That one's Venus.
Now let's take off Venus.
Alright.
That's what we want to take off because Venus is like yellow.
Oh, honey.
There's
Slow, careful.
no Pluto on this one. There's no Pluto.
Why isn't there Pluto?
Because that would be too much.
Okay, stop making the sticky go away. Let go. Okay. There's no Pluto because Pluto is not a planet. It's considered a dwarf planet. And it's not really one of the 8 major planets.
But these are the 8 major planets.
Yeah, so Pluto is no longer a planet.
Oh.
Pluto hasn't been a planet since you've been born, actually. So it's funny. You knew that.
Oh. So we have 3 planets here.
All right, look at that. 3 of them. They look
I think
nice.
I'm going to do where we live.
Where do we live?
We live in Earth. Let's do Earth.
Okay, there you go. Now you're getting the hang of it.
Whoa.
Great. What do you think? We've got all these stickers. What do you have on the planets? Tell me some of the things on top of these planets.
All of these stickers.
Oh, what are they?
aliens.
Yep.
And what goes around Earth is satellites.
Yep.
And why we did these asteroids by this thing because it's the same color as the asteroid.
What's
so
that?
this is a rocket ship
Nice.
over this. But there's not any more.
You don't remember any of the names of the planets anymore?
Yeah, no. But this is Earth.
That's Earth.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is Venus. No, this is Venus. What is this? What is this planet? We don't remember. But this is the sun.
Yep. Okay, so do you think we should put all of these planets onto the solar system with the sun?
Yep.
Don't break the sun. Don't break the sun.
I'm just going to show you guys what happens when you click the top of the light that is inside the sun.
What happens?
What's happening?
There.
There. So what happens?
That's really hard to do. It won't stay down at all. Well, weird, it won't stay. But it's supposed to light up.
Yeah.
But it's not staying lit up for some reason. I cannot get it to stay lit up. Cool, right?
Yeah.
We'll have to figure it out later. Where do we put the solar system?
Up there!
It's on the ceiling.
Yeah. Dad's going to freak out when he sees this. He's going to feel like he's in space.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, he's going to feel like he's in space when he sees that.
That's awesome.
He's going to like doing moon jumps.
Oh, yeah?
When he comes home, he's going to be doing moon jumps. And thanks. And bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.